Take a ride in the 2016 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, mini spare tire, four-wheel disc brakes, rain-sensing wipers, fog lamps, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.